Okay, I wasn't gonna do a video, but I come outside, it's like loud. Do you hear that, Jaja? Does that sound like heaven to you? Let's walk on over here. See if we can pick this up in the, can you hear all the birds? There they go flying out of the tree. Oh my gosh. And I'm losing my rocks in here. That doesn't look awful. Maybe I can get them to come in through here. I ought to talk to them about that because this is not looking good. Looks like they're coming in through here. That was loud. Oh my goodness. Everything is starting to try to bloom. I believe this is garlic. This is my music garlic. Oh, you got rained on. It's a good thing you were junk. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, what was I doing? I'm not going to do a walkthrough, but that was so loud. The seasons are changing. I want to prune something so bad. I don't know what to do. In fact, that's what I can do. I can take pictures and then go inside and study. Now, this is a big mess. I've really taken on Mother Nature with this, but you know, I'm good with it. I'll work it out. Last year was a big step. Wow, and look at this. Oh my goodness, they're doing a great job, which is exactly what I expected. Look at this. There goes Jaja. What a mess we got, girl. What a big kitty mess. Oh, wow, but I love it. I don't think I want a shelter here. I think I want a garden. No surprise there. I think it's going to be natural. I cannot wait. I hope they finish up this week. It's already, oh no, did they step on something? Look at all this mess. Ew. Look at all that glass. Oh, I can't stand that. Don't look. Don't look. Just don't even think about it. Just don't look. But I just put those in. Okay, this is turning into a super long video. Let me just stop. Let me just stop where I am and go back to just taking pictures. Jaja! Jaja, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, good girl. Come on, good girl. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Cootie pie. Cootie wootie pie. Another day in paradise. We finally got rain and plenty of it. And the birds are happy. Oh my goodness, I got lots and lots and lots and lots to do, but I can't wait to do it. I am being very well behaved. I have taken some cuttings and I'm gonna see. These are fig tree cuttings, and I'm gonna see if I see any. Do I see any? Oh, it looks kind of funky in there, doesn't it? Now they're green looking. I think I should just go ahead and stick them in dirt. Zha Zha, you can hear her over there licking herself. Okay, everything's out today. It's been raining. There he goes, or she goes. Yep, there. Can you see him? He's flying all around over there. Big, big, big bird. Okay, but I got things to do. Where is he? Wait. So hard to see. Okay, it's hunting over there at the pond.